Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make a super simple recipe. It's supposed to be super simple. I've never made it before, but it's Swedish meatballs using frozen, ready-made meatballs. So on the internet, looking around, it sounded good. I like Swedish meatballs. Kind of a fan of the Swedish chef on the Muppets. Bork, bork, bork. So if that sounds interesting to you, sounds good to you, sounds tasty to you, please stick around and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is like one of the easiest things you'll ever make in your life, but hopefully it tastes really good because I've never made it before. But we want to start out with 2 cups of beef broth. Let me get my package turned there so I can actually pour it. Alright, there's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. Ring the bell, school's in. Alright, now condensed cream of mushroom soup going in. Try not to splash. Probably put that in there first before you dump your soup in, or your beef broth in, but I've never been one to do things easy, so. Alright, there's that. Now we want to whisk it up. Alright, there's our basis. Now we need to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Yes, I know it's Worcestershire sauce, but I like calling it Worcestershire sauce. It's a thing from when my stepkids were young. There's that. Now 2 tablespoons of your favorite steak sauce. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay. Clean up our little mess there. Now, I'm going to rinse that off so we don't make a mess. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add a little more if you want, a little less if you want, but that's what I'm adding. Yeah, looks good to me. And then we need a half a teaspoon of paprika, which I don't have out. There it is. Getting it out. Oop, that's cayenne. We don't want cayenne. No cayenne. Not in this recipe. Ah, there it is. Sorry. Half a teaspoon of paprika. So, a half a teaspoon out of here. There's my half a teaspoon. I'm sure you could probably use smoked paprika in here and make it even better. Alright, there's our paprika. And half a teaspoon of salt. Which I'm going to use the pink Himalayan salt. I'm not going to quite put half in there because I don't like all the salt in my food. So, and then we need a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Alright. And then I'm reading down through my instructions here, y'all. Okay, yeah. That's most everything for the dry ingredients. Now, we want small, or medium, I'm sorry, chopped onion. And I'm going to add a can of mushrooms, because I like mushroomy. Y'all don't have to add them if you don't like them. And then we're going to add our frozen meatballs. And all you got to do, mix them up. Get them things all coated and get them down in there. And this is supposed to be 28 ounces of frozen meatballs. You can use the Italian style, plain style, home style. You know, as long as they don't already have a sauce on them, you can use them. You can even make your own homemade meatballs if you want. But this is supposed to be a quick, easy recipe, so alright. That's it. That's all there is to it. Put her in the crock pot warmer thing there. Put her on low and let her cook for, I'm going to let it cook like 6-8 hours. But, you know, you just basically have to, you know, these are pre-cooked meatballs. So all you got to do is basically heat them up and let it thicken up a little bit. So I'm going to do that and we'll bring y'all back when they're finished. Alright, y'all. It's been cooking all day long. So the next part we need to do is we need to add the sour cream to this. Y'all, this smells delicious. Alright. Let's grab our sour cream here. I need a scoopy thing. We'll use this scoopy thing. Alright, this calls for 1 cup. I'm just going to wing it. You guys are fogged up. There we go. Now you can see better. Calls for 1 cup. I'm just going to wing it. Because, you know, it's what I feel like doing today. That looks like about a cup, don't it? Yeah, there we go. Alright. Just stir that in. It looks better and better all the time, y'all. Some stuck to the spoon there. Make sure there's no big chunks. Now, y'all, I'm gonna put mine over cauliflower rice. You can put it over regular white rice. You can put it over noodles. You know, however you want to do it for your liking. But today I'm going to put mine over the cauliflower rice. So, alright, I'm going to let that cook, let that warm back up there. I'm going to leave the lid off. Maybe it'll thicken up just a hair. Doubt it, but so, alright, we'll bring y'all back when we're ready to plate this up and do a little tasty test. Alright, y'all, that's all warmed back up again. After we put that sour cream in, I got my cauliflower rice here that I'm going to use. So, put some of that here in the bottom of the bowl. A little bit more. Alright. That looks delicious. And I spooged on my stovetop. No big deal. Alright. See some of these Swedish meatballs out here. Bark, bark, bark. See if I can't dig out a few of those mushrooms. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all. This smells so delicious. Alright, look at that, y'all. Yumminess. That don't get much better than that, does it? Not in my opinion. So, alright, let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. It's time for the old taste tester. So get one of them up here. They're still steaming hot, so. Mm. Yo, that's got some great flavor. I'm gonna get a little of this cauliflower rice down in here. That sauce over it. Mmm. Yo, that hits the spot. I'm telling you. So, all right. There you have it. Swedish meatballs. First time I've made this, but we will definitely be making it again. So, appreciate y'all. If you would, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button. Ring the bell. God, get everything, get all the notifications and everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be. Love y'all, and as always, bear appetit. Bye.